Hi, in this video I will show you how to create tabs with custom content in Elementor and CSS. Something like this. I have a section here with a tab element, and if you click on any of these you can see that the content of the tabs is not just a simple text with a headline. So basically you can create any layout and put any content here for each of these tab elements. So we will be creating this custom tab content using a plugin called Anywhere Elementor. Let's get started. I will open my Elementor page here and I will go and type the tab widget. So place it in your section. And now it doesn't matter if you're using horizontal or vertical tabs. Let's just create, let's say, several tabs. I will just quickly give them a name. We don't have to actually worry about the styling or about the content for now. I just want to show you how to basically customize this content. By default, you can see that the tab element offers you title and description and a text. But what if we want to make it a little bit more complex? We want to add some graphics, some images, we want to customize the layout of that content and so on. In this case, this is basically what we will be doing through a plugin called Anywhere Elementor. Now the first thing, I will just change the position to vertical so that I have this kind of sidebar, and on the right side is my content. I won't worry too much now about the styling of my tab. Basically, I will do this in one of my next videos and show you how to do that. For now, what I want to do is click on Update, and then I will go to my Elementor or WordPress dashboard. And I want to install the plugin that I was talking about. So go to Plugins and add New. Type here Anywhere Elementor. And you can see that the first one that appears is this plugin by WP Vibes. So in my case, I already have it installed. But if you don't, just click on Install and activate the plugin. Once it is activated, then you can start building your templates. So once it is activated, you can find your AE templates in your sidebar in your WordPress. So just go here and click on Add New. Basically what we will be doing is we will be creating a template for each of these tabs. So we have 4 tab sections, so we will create 4 different templates for each of them, and we will customize the content inside these templates, and then we will just link the template to the content of our tab in our tab widget. Let me show you how to do that. So we created a new Anywhere Elementor template, and we will call it tab 1. Now click on Edit with Elementor. Here you can basically just create the section that you want your content to be placed in. So let's say that I want to create something similar to the example I showed you, where I have some graphic on the left and some text on the right side. It can be an image as well. So I will create a new section and give it 2 columns. Let's say actually that I want an image, for example. So I will put an image widget, and maybe I will just place something like this. Set it to full, and then maybe in the second column I want to put some heading here and some text editor. Let me also set the vertical line to middle, and let's say tab 1, and I will leave this placeholder text for now. Click on Publish, and now let's go back and let's create the tabs for the remaining sections. So I will go to my Anywhere Elementor, click on Add New, and let's say tab 2. Click on Edit with Elementor. Now here I can do the same layout basically with an image on the left and some heading and text on the right side, but let's say that I want something different. So for example, I can create a 3 column this time, and I can set I can put, let's say, an image here. I just want to show you basically that each of these templates can be different and completely custom. They do not need to follow the same template. So I will say second tab, Let me just set the vertical align of this column to middle. And then let's say that I want to place a button in my third column. Again, vertical align middle, and I will leave the button as it is. Click on Publish. And basically you can do the same thing for all your tabs. If you have 10 tabs, you define 10 different templates. Now the next thing that you need to do is go to your AE templates, and here if you click here on Anywhere Elementor templates, you can find the list of your templates here. In my case it's tab 1, tab 2. If I continued, I would have tab 3 and 4. What you want to do next is on the right side you can find the short code. So just copy the short code for tab 1, then go back to your page where you placed the tab widget. If you go to your tab widget here and tab 1 and open this tab 1 item, you can see that we have the title and the description, but here where we would normally place the text or the content, we will basically paste the short code of the template we just created. So just paste it here, then go to the second tab and go back to your Anywhere Elementor template list. Now copy the short code for the tab 2. Go back to your Elementor page, and instead of this content, place that short code for tab 2 here, and then do the same thing for all the tabs that you have. Click on Update, and now let's see how our page looks like. Here you can see that now we placed this section that we defined as a template in Anywhere Elementor plugin for tab 1. If I click on tab 2, this is my section for tab 2, and so on. So this is how you can basically create custom sections and custom design for each of the tab elements. So not simply with some text, but you can basically define custom layouts, custom content, custom widgets using this Anywhere Elementor plugin. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you have, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe.